Honestly, I don't know why finger guard protection isn't standard on doors the likes of nurseries, special needs settings and primary schools. And to be honest, when I do visit schools, I'm surprised that there's no finger guard protection in place at all, especially in areas where there's young children and vulnerable people. Just look at some of the injuries that can be caused. So, over the years, I've investigated accidents with doors, some with very serious consequences. But the thing with these type of accidents are they're predictable and they're preventable as well. All it takes is one door swing and suddenly you got your fingers crushed, broken bones, and in worst cases, life-changing injuries. And it's totally avoidable by putting finger guards in place. So finger guards, they're cheap, they're easy to fit, and they don't change how the door works. So they stop finger access to the hinge side, and they're also fitted on the opposite side of the door as well, because that small gap is just as dangerous. It doesn't even have to be all done at once. It can be introduced as a gradual program, starting with high-risk areas based on your risk assessment. Concentrate on the likes of infant classrooms, special needs settings and care homes because they'd all benefit from them. So there's a supplier in Ireland for them which is Finger Protection Ireland, and I'll put the link below. And they provide a range of products that are made by Art Viva Childcare Safety. And their products are genuinely good quality. And just to be clear, I'm not affiliated with them in any way at all. I'm just pointing you towards quality products to make it easier for you to find them. So finger entrapment, it's one of those hazards that's predictable and preventable, and in places meant to protect vulnerable people. Basic protection like this shouldn't be optional at all. It needs to be standard. So safety isn't about big systems. It's about fixing the obvious risks properly. So remember to think first and not after. I'd just like to thank you for your time.